who hail from Tamil Nadu. Like most of you, or all of you, are from Tamil Nadu. So Tamil Nadu, which is hosting the Tamil culture, Tamilian culture in popular sense, we say, is one integral part of the Sanatana culture. And the unity of different sects of Sanatana, or different regions of Sanatana, is tied up in a single bond by way of Dharma. That's what I was talking to the gentleman who just spoke good words for me, that he listened me here. So ultimately it is only Dharma because of which you are here from Chennai. And it will be only Dharma because of which from Kashi or from Ayodhya we shall be going to Tamil Nadu. With a sense of belongingness. That belongingness will not be there if we are going to New York. That becomes an alien land. But Kashi was our whole land. Chennai is my homeland. Madras is my homeland. The people of Madras or people of Chennai are my people. You are my people. That feeling I have met so. Buddhist who does not practice this religious thing that we call Sanatana.